Alright, here we are with another Auto Enthusiasm vlog. I'm going to introduce you guys to my 2004 Acura TSX. Really like this car. Gets great gas mileage. Today, I'm going to take it to a tire shop to get the tires replaced. Right now I have winter tires on there. I'm going to swap them out for some summer tires. Summer tires are actually old takeoffs from one of our older cars, so they are staggered, which hopefully doesn't pose an issue. I think the fitment on the TSX is really good right now. We're actually going a size down and up from the winter tires. Alright, on my way to the tire shop. Hopefully the first and only tire shop. Don't want to have to run around, but I don't have an appointment anywhere, so I don't know how busy they'll be today. So I don't know if you can hear it right now, but winter tires are, or from my experience, seem to be louder than, you know, all season or summer tires. So I'm gonna be happy about getting those swapped out. First tire place, no luck. They are 3 hours or 3 hour wait time. That sucks. So I just got the tires changed on the TSX. 45 bucks to swap out winter to some old all-season tires that we had. And apparently, Tire World has their own water. So it definitely seems to be a lot quieter. I think I hear more of the engine versus the engine and the road noise from the tires. It's a good thing. So the only issue is the rear tires were really close to the wear bar, so might have to be getting new tires end of the year or so. Hopefully they'll last for the rest of this year until the winter comes, and I'll throw back the old winter tires on. But yeah, it's good to have all-season tires on the TSX now. So here are the new tires for the TSX Continental Pro Contact. 225s up front. Yep, 225. 240 in the rear. It's not as fat as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be overly fat for the wheels, but it's decent enough. Issues with rubbing your bottom out. I'm not really that low, so I'm pretty happy about it. So that works for me. Is all we're going to do with the TSX today. Thanks for watching. One of the next videos I might do with the TSX is a valve adjustment. Seems like it kind of like rattles. It's got 162,000 miles on it. I don't know if it's ever been done. So I might try to knock that out. Just got the tools on for that, so that might be a future video, as well as possibly give my hand a try at body work. So that's Got a whole bunch of little blemishes here and there. This thing doesn't look painted very well. So, we might do that. There's definitely this blemish over here. Looks terrible. It's from the previous owner. And super wide wheels and a tire blowout. So, I'll give my hand a try at bodywork. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you next time.